Hey, what's up, YouTube? And we got more good news today. Um, Gitcoin, Enzyme token, and AMP are now available in Coinbase. So they just had the announcement a couple of days ago on Coinbase Pro. So now they're on Coinbase. So you can just go to the regular Coinbase. So starting today, Gitcoin, Enzyme, and AMP are available on Coinbase.com. And in the Coinbase Android and iOS apps, Coinbase customers can now trade, send, receive, or store GTC, MLN, and AMP in all Coinbase-supported regions, with the exception of GTC in New York. GTC, MLN, and AMP will not be supported in Singapore. Trading for these assets are also supported in Coinbase Pro. So it's official now. It's on regular Coinbase. And this is the what's going on in the Coinbase Pro. As you can see right now, it's 8 cents, and it's up 32.58% in the last 24 hours. And the volume is over 950 million AMP. Okay? And I'm just going to show you on the regular Coinbase. It's right here. And there goes AMP. And also, Enzyme is right there. Now, I live in New York, so I don't have Gitcoin. Unfortunately, I cannot get Gitcoin through Coinbase, as you saw in the article. But Enzyme is here, is listed here, and also AMP. And also, for those of you that don't have a Coinbase account and you would like to get some free crypto, you open up a Coinbase account. You can also go to the Earn Reward section. And I'm going to put the referral link below for you can receive up to $10 of Bitcoin when you go through my referral link and you put $100 or more in crypto. Buy and sell $100 or more of crypto, and you get $10 of Bitcoin. But also, they have the AMP coin. So you can just watch the video. And it's 3 videos you have to watch and answer a question. Very simple video. I mean, very simple questions. The answer's right there in the video. I'm not gonna post the answers because you should look at the videos and know what you're investing in, or what are you gonna get for free. So, and you could earn up to $3 worth of AMP, which is about 40 right now with the price right now. It's about 40 tokens, and that could get you started on that. Then you also have Polygon. You can earn 3 of Polygon, 3 of the Graph, and $10 of XLM, Stellar Lumens, and also $9 of Comp. So you could earn some free crypto also to get you started. And you could, if you want to later on, you can convert those to whatever you want. And, so that's another incentive to open up a Coinbase account if you don't have one already. Number one, you're going to get $10 of free Bitcoin once you put $100 or more and buy crypto. And also the free tokens from all the different tokens they like to they're selling. Okay, so there you go. I'm gonna have the referral link below, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.